Hello, second graders. Welcome to lesson number 5, distance learning. And today you are going to need nothing, just yourselves and your wonderful voices and your body, because we're going to be doing some body percussion, some movement, and then we're going to cap it all off with a seesaw activity that involves body percussion and a poem that we're going to learn today. Okay? So let's kick this off with a little bit of this poem. So it's going to go bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Pretty short and easy. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. I'm going to give you 4 drums, and then I want you to start. Here I go. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. I'm going to do a different speed, a different tempo. Bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. Bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. Some of you forgot to wait for me that time. All right, so we're going to say it one more time at normal speed. 4 for an introduction, and then it's yours. Excellent. So we're going to come back to that. So make sure you've got that in your brain. Hey, let's do a little movement. Let's see. I'm going to switch over to big screen. There I am. And I'm going to see if you remember how to do this. I'm going to point you down a little bit. There we go. Back up. Now I take her. Boop, boop, boop. Whee! Got it? Remember that from last time? Let's add our music, because everything's more fun with music. Beginning, I say. Here we go. Hey, I forgot to mention, if you don't have a fun spinny floor like I do, just find some way to turn your body, or you could just do this with your finger too. That's fine. All right, so I had this thing that went boop, 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 which is the rhythm do-day-do. How many times in a row did I do that? Oh, it was actually 4, because I did do, 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 do. I did 1 on my pats, on my legs, before, after all 3 of the claps. So now, I want you to create on your own, using pats and claps. When we get to that spot, I did mine mostly claps. You could choose to do yours mostly pats. Or you could do yours back and forth. Or you could do half and half, whatever strategy you think you want to use. Or just whatever you want. But it has to only have pats and claps. I'm not going to show you. This is all you this time. Here we go. And go. Let's do it again. Here we go. And go. Yeah, I think that's good. Let's add one more thing. Snaps. So now when you get to that part with the do-day-do, you have 3 choices. You can snap, clap, or pat. And you can mix them up however you want. But notice there's only 3, but there are 4 that happen. So one of these 3 you're going to have to use twice. All right? I'm not going to help you. You got this. All right, you're totally on your own now. Now your thing. Did you snap? Good. Last time. Off you go. Gosh, I hope you were doing that on your own. Let's take this up a notch. Tell you what, if you want to just stay doing it here with your hands, perfect, do that. If you have room to do this, let's stand up and transfer everything to our feet now. So join me up here. Ready? Woo. All right, so you can see my feet. All right, so if I go with my hand, my foot is going to do the same. And then you get your claps, pats, and snaps on your own. Okay? If you're doing it sitting, perfect. If you want to stand up and do it with me, even better. Let's put on some music. Here we go. Last time. Here we go. Very nice, my friends. Excellent, excellent moving. Let's see. Now we're going to go back to our poem. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Whenever you say the word bounce, you're going to clap your hands. Oh, notice I didn't put one on the last bounce. How confusing of me. Watch out. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Let's try that again. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Let's add something else. The star means we're going to snap. I forgot to mention, if you can't snap, just pretend, because the motion is really what I want to see. All right, here it goes. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. On the word low, you're going to pat your legs. Here we go. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Hey, if I'm going too fast for you, feel free to pause or rewind so that you can catch up. This is what I'm going to have you do into Seesaw in just a moment. So if you need to learn it or practice it more, feel free to go back. Here's the last thing we're going to add, our feet. So again, I got to stand up. So here I go. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. And I just walk in place, those 4 steps there. Bounce high, bounce low. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Bounce high, bounce low. bounce the ball to Shiloh. All right, friends, that's all the time we have for today. So that's what you're doing into Seesaw, okay? Do the body percussion, say the words, and I want to see what you can do with that, okay? All right, friends, until next time, hope you're having a great day, and stay kind.